You guys okay? Man, that was crazy. He caught me training. Here's what we're gonna cover in attribute training. Sound good? Cool. Play the intro. Contrary to popular belief, I am a professional in this craft.
We're gonna start with the 3 basic kicks that make this happen. Front kick, side kick, arch kick. Maybe not in that order though.
Remember on my front kick, I chambered my knee directly in front of my chest. From there, I extend outwards and backwards, bending at the knee to get the kick full effect. Just like I'm standing on my tippity tiptoes. I'm gonna keep my foot in the same position. This is the desired striking surface for a front kick. That means my toes are flexed back and my ankle is flexed forward. So make sure you practice that foot flexy thing. Anyway, on a side kick, I bring my knee and heel in a straight line to the target. Keeping my toes sideways, I extend out and bring it back like a piston, making contact with the heel. Try to pivot on my kick as I kick. Similar to a side kick, on an arch kick, my knee and my heel are going to aim directly towards the target. However, I extend out like a piston motion with my toes facing the outside of my body. If I'm kicking with my right leg, my toes are going to point over my right shoulder. Extend that foot out, kicking with the arch of my foot, and there you have it. Make sure you thrust it out and back like a side kick and a front kick and pretty much any other kick. Now it's time to add some jumpy jumps. On a flying side kick, it's important to remember that I actually jump off of one leg, as the other leg kind of pivots in midair. My pivoting leg is going to step almost like a round kick. From here, my kicking leg is going to come up and then practice the side kick. Now all I need to do is add the jump. As you chamber your knee with your right leg, jump off of your left leg and extend your kick out mid-air. Hopefully put your landing gear down. The chicken round kick is the next version. On my chicken round kick, I'm going to do the same thing as a standard chicken kick. But obviously I do a round kick instead. Duh. The first leg that spots my target is going to be my non-kicking leg. From there, I'm going to take that same foot, put it on the ground, pivot, and chamber for a round kick. The rest is simple. I snap it out and back, and I set it down. That jump, pivoting, pivot section, jump, pivoting, pivot, what he said is actually the hardest part of the move. I don't know if Chip Townsend would call it a jump, pivoting, pivot, but anyway, you're watching this video, so I'm the best you got! Yeah! Moving on now! Now I'm going to turn my chicken kick into a double kick. So to start out with, that non-kicking knee or spotting knee is going to start set on the Wavemaster like so. Notice that my toes are set off to the side, simulating an arch kick. We'll come back to that later. From there, I jump off my right foot, kick with my right leg into a round kick, making contact on the back. It's so important that you start with the basics, or you'll get really, you'll just end up like Bob. Oh goodness! I hope you mean chiseled and useful. The next step is to take that spotting leg and actually extend it out into the arch kick itself. So now I go 1 kick, jump, 2 kick. A little bit faster it looks like. And notice how for the benefit of my hips, my toes are all facing the same direction. So I don't become an oxymoron trying to kick everything else the other way. Yeah, that looks silly.
You certainly emphasize the moron in that phrase. Moving on. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Now it's time to put this mad mumbo jumbo hunky pull boy together. Triple kick.
As I approach, I do the same launch as I would for my flying side kick. Remembering to do my J-step, pivot, and bring the desired kicking leg into the appropriate chamber position. And of course that depends on which kick you like to start with. Right front, left arch, right round. Notice that arch kick puts my foot in alignment, so I land pivoted to extend the round kick without having injury or pain, or I guess that's the same thing, right? go over the round kick, arch kick, side kick. Of course, all done in midair to conclude this episode.
So glad it's almost over.
On this one, it's important that my round kick recoils back and then shifts to the other side so I can extend out that side kick. My heel starts behind me for the round kick, snaps out and back, recoils to the other side, and does the side kick. But my hips are gonna face the same direction as you can see. I always appreciate hanging out with you guys on these episodes. We'll see you next time for a little attribute training.
Whoa-pow!